Let's turn to business news now with Nona Peltier, who is on the other side of me in the Auckland studio. Hi, Nona.
Hello.
Metro Glass. We have never talked about them before, as far as I'm aware.
No, but we haven't.
No.
No, but
well, they've turned the corner with an improved first half
That's right.
profit.
Well, there are like a number of other building industry companies we've talked about: Fletcher Building, Steel and Tube. Well, actually, we talked about them last week, and you weren't here.
Yeah, but I was listening, Nona.
Okay, well, very good then. Okay, so Metro Performance Glass is a public listed company, and they manufacture glass. They're into double glazing, these kinds of things. And they have operations also in Australia, which has helped their result. So their first half was just a little bit ahead of last year, and now they're forecasting a little bit ahead for the full year. That's right. No, sorry. Yeah, that's right. So it's a forecast that we've got here from them. Now, what's interesting about them is it's been really difficult for Metro Performance Glass. I mean, there was a public listed company, a lot of fanfare, good, strong building industry, and yet they've been underperforming. In fact, their share price was $2.15 like a year ago, and today, after gaining nearly 5%, it was at 92 cents.
Wow.
That gives you an indication of just how far they've fallen in terms of the shareholder outlook. So,
how much was it? $2.15?
Yeah, a year ago. And
now
today,
90 cents.
92 cents after gaining 4% today. So really quite an improvement. And it's hard to know exactly what's gone wrong with the building industry, but we're seeing this across the whole sector. So it's been really difficult.
Right. More people will be affected by this, Nona, directly affected by it, the rising prices of butter.
We've talked about butter a lot, haven't we?
Yeah, well, it's absolutely fascinating.
You know,
and driving up food prices overall.
Well, you know what? It could be worse. It could be a shortage of butter.
Yeah.
So the prices are way up. Well, according to the latest food price index, $5.67 a block, but I saw it on sale today for about $5.90. So
yeah.
I think the prices are better than that. And if you look around the world, the prices...
The prices are better than that if you're a farmer, worse than that if you're a consumer, right? The prices are north of $6.
But you know, it's really a demand situation. It's not so much the dairy prices are reflecting that. It's that really consumers are wanting that. Now, they've gone away from the margarine, you know, and not that Kiwis have eaten a lot of that. We've had such wonderful butter. But in other countries, butter has really picked up. And so in some countries, there's shortages. And the prices are high. Look around just New Zealand, in places which don't offer discounts to consumers, you know, the prices are as much as $9. It's a lot of money, and but at least we'll still have our butter for this season. So what else do we got?
What do the markets do, Nona?
Okay, well, the index, the NZX Top 50 index was up about 1/3%, which is kind of remarkable because it's been down in global markets today. So we gained 28 points to 8,090. But our dollar is really hit an 18-month low overnight. You know, we dropped below 68 cents. So we're trading at 68.1 US cents, 90.2 Australian, and 51.6 pence, which is kind of telling because there's weakness in international currencies. And so we're down. Normally we kind of bump up, but we haven't. So we'll see. We're going to keep an eye on that. We'll see what happens.
Nona Peltier, who was with us all week, thank you very much indeed, Nona.